Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to do a review of Arteza color pencils. Here it is. Here's the box. This is how you get them. Once again, I have to tell you that this company is really good. They send it to you on time. Their mailing is excellent. And when you order them, and they're pretty cheap. They're not very expensive at all. They're probably about $30, and you get 72 quality pencils. So we're going to take a look at them right now, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the box, and on the back of the box you can see right here each of the colors are given with their names. There's 72 of them. Okay, and all the colors are given to you right here. I sort of have been using the box for about a couple of days, so I've used a couple of the pencils, and I'm going to show them to you right now. Let me open the box for you. So here's the box, and I sorted them out in there for these are the cool colors, and you have a nice selection of cool colors. I'm going to carefully put them right here, and here I sorted out the warms. As you can see, you have a nice range of your yellows and reds and in-betweens, and then the rest of them right here. Okay, so this is the way you're going to see all of the colors that it comes to you in the box. They're very good. You have a nice range of different colors and shades, and 72 of them all together. I'm quite happy when I first got them. I think they're pretty good. They're worth it. And as far as how they actually work, I'm going to show them to you right now. I have a sketch that I've been working on, and here it is. Okay. So here's the pencil sketch that I've been doing using these pencils, and as you can see, they blend really well. This is just standard regular sketchbook. It's not any kind of special paper or anything, so but you still get a good feel. And I just want to let you know that the pencils they sharpen beautifully. They don't have any. They're very strong when you sharpen them. The pencil tips don't come off or anything. They're very perfect, very good. And here's a pencil tip for you. And they're very strong when you sharpen them, you know. So they're really good. So I think you're going to be happy with these pencils, and they're definitely worth it. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of how they blend. Just basically, you know, I've been working on this sketch, but I just want to show you how the colors are nice and smooth. So you get a nice dark to a very nice light. You see that? Nice. I think I like them very much. You can blend them. They're very smooth, and they're excellent for practice. So I really suggest that you get these. They're worth it. Here is a few colors that I'm going to show you. Okay. They have a nice blend. They do a good job. I'm happy with what I paid for it. It wasn't expensive at all. It was very cheap, about $30 for 72 pencils. I think that's a good deal. So there is a nice little blend of all the colors for you to see. And so, I mean, if these are good for realism as well as for other work as well. I'm not a realist, but if you're a realist as well, but I think you can make some great realistic pencil drawings with these. So I'm going to tell you that I'm very happy with my purchase. I suggest that you guys get it. I don't work. I think that they're worth it. Great for practice. I'm sure there are other pencils that are probably really good, but these definitely, for the price of a mere $30, and the mailing is excellent. You get them right away. It's probably within a day or so, and you get some very, very nice, as you can see, some very nice blends, you know. So ladies and gentlemen, I think this is a very good investment. I'm quite happy with what I did. And once again, the possibilities are immense, depending on what kind of an artist you are, you know. So as you can see, the colors are turning out nice. They blend into each other very well. Okay. And well, I hope you take a look at my the other ones that I've done for Arteza. Please take a look of the colors, the acrylic, Arteza acrylic colors. I did an interview of that one as well. Please do take a look. Definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be putting up, and just to give you a heads up, I'll be doing some drawings from New York City, painting directly from the city itself. And so please tune in for that. Be active on my channel. I'm going to be drawing live from New York City. I'm going to be putting those videos up. They're called Cityscapes. Please tune in for that. And so as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the colors are definitely, I'm going to say, quite nice blends. I'm happy. And the possibilities are incredibly immense for the type of work that you're doing. So the pencils are really, really very nice. I'm quite happy. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like that drawing. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna wrap that up right there. Once again, here are the pencils. You get the blend of you get your warm colors, and then your cool colors right here, and your warm colors. They're great for practice. You should try them on different kind of paper to get the right effects. And there is the effects from the drawing that I've been making here to give you a little sample. I totally recommend these for any artist, and they have a professional quality about them. So if it's used on the right pencil, right kind of paper, I'm sure that you'll be able to get an excellent effect. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for tuning in. Please subscribe and share the video. Have a great day.